Alright, so this was a little difficult to put on, but the release side goes on where the back side of it is, so that it connects to that little wall in the back. I had to take it off. It would have been easier if I would have just plugged it in first, run all the lines through here, and then bolt it down, because I had to feed the wire up through here and kind of push it down, just because there's not a lot of room under here because it's slanted, or this way actually, but it'll do. It seems like it's on there. 3M tape's on there. So now I'm just going to run it through the back and go in through the firewall back there. So yeah, we'll figure out how to do that because I've never done that before. So we'll see. There it is so far.